Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make New Orleans pralines the only way. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh pecan halves, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. These simple, high-quality components are the foundation for truly delicious pralines. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your granulated sugar, brown sugar, heavy cream, and butter. Stir these ingredients together over medium heat until the sugars dissolve completely. Continue cooking without stirring too much until the mixture reaches exactly 235 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect praline consistency later on, so keep a close eye on it. Once your mixture reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Stir in the vanilla extract. Now comes the magic. Begin beating the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or an electric mixer. You'll notice it start to thicken and lose its glossy sheen, becoming more opaque. This beating develops the characteristic creamy, slightly grainy texture that makes New Orleans pralines so irresistible. Don't stop until it's just right. The final step is quick. As soon as your praline mixture reaches the desired consistency, immediately drop spoonfuls onto sheets of parchment paper. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to set very rapidly. Aim for round, flat discs about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Let them cool undisturbed for approximately 30 minutes to an hour or until they are completely firm. Then, they are ready to enjoy. These homemade pralines are a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.